How to use templates in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use templates. First of all, open the application. Now you're in your home page. Now on the top at the search bar, you can simply search for the Photoroom templates. Here you can search for anything like profile, costume or anything that you want to search. Now simply tap on the search button. So as you can see, different suggestions have been popped up. Now select the one that you want to edit on. So as you can see, I have imported one. Now here you can replace the photo by your own photo by simply tapping on this replace button. Here simply select the photo that you want to replace, and as you can see, it is being replaced and it will completely be enabled in the template. Now as you can see, it has been done. So at last you can save it and export it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.